చైనా నిషేధిత బయోవెపన్ల తయారీ చేసిందనటాన్ని వాదులు నిరూపించగలరా? అసలు ఈ కేసులో గెలిచే అవకాశం ఎంతవరకు ఉంది? చైనా నష్టపరిహారం నిజంగా చెల్లించాల్సి వస్తుందా? ఈ ప్రజలకు సమాధానం మన లీగల్ టీంని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం రండి.
Hello friends, myself Advocate Manish Kumar Sharma, and today we are discussing on particular one case which has been filed from United States of America on China, and matter is coronavirus. And this lawsuit has been filed by two companies. Company names are Buzz Photos and Freedom Watch. Respectively, they are from Texas and Washington, United States of America. Okay, two states of that. Now the certain question which has been forwarded from Lajano team to me, I would like to share certain options out of it and what can be the appropriate answers for these all questions. The first question, which was that the jurisdiction. What can be the jurisdiction for particular these cases? Yes, obviously, the companies, those that belong from United States of America, that too from Texas and Washington, jurisdiction can be Washington or Texas, any of these. Because here two things are very important. The litigation, it has to be international litigation, which is, it seems it's a cases. If it is a contextual case where they have a special agreement between these two particular parties or companies, where one manufacturer, supplier, and another is the end user. If they have this agreement, this can be taken in particular court of law which has been mentioned in the agreement. So this is very much possible. It can be taken by the plaintiff in America itself. The second question, if we come across whether the coronavirus is a bioweapon or not, that question is very important. The all circumstances, if we look upon the episode from beginning, it seems like all of a sudden when December 2019, okay, this epidemic started and became pandemic. So that it seems like there can be a conspiracy. Why? Because the Wuhan, the province of China, and the virology lab which has been established in December 2018 in Wuhan, having a close proximity with the seafood market nearby over there. They were keep on researching on viruses over there, particularly corona related viruses. So it's a very much possible, and the perceptions, the speculations can be there that it can spread out from the lab itself. So but it is subject to proof. It can be bioweapon, nobody can deny, because the bacteria, the viruses, those that are coming into the contact with the human being and damaging our body parts, that's a bioweapon itself. And there is no question. Now coming to the third question here, the plaintiff, whatever the evidences they are submitting to the court of law, whether it can be considered or not, what kind of evidence they are going to submit. Here the I would say the negligence from particularly government of China, Republic of China, and particularly the governor of the Wuhan province. Why? Because when December 1st week, 6th or 8th of December, when they came to know about this particular matter, they should have taken a very strict about Dr. Li Wenling, who was the first person who was the who just made this issue open, and who just made the government also know about this seriousness of this matter, because this could be a pandemic. And he was the first doctor, and just very young age, 34 years old. He died eventually on February 1st week, 2020. But this is the thing where the evidences, these if they are submitted in court of law, followed by the evidences they are providing, and the international agencies, those they are working on it, if they provide, it can be submitted as an evidence in court of law, which will be considered. Coming to the final question, the fourth question, and what is the possibility of winning the case, and the ratio of the success of this case particularly? Yes, obviously, this case is really very serious case. The companies, those that are facing problem, not only America, entire world is facing the problem. Europe, which was the very good, very strong in the economy, now they are also facing problem. And the part of Europe now coming down to the Atlantic Ocean, you will find America, there to North America and South America. So both the parts, they are crucial. Having the international presence in economic conditions, they both got, all the particular continents, they got affected. India also got affected, no doubt at all. So this is the thing. This can be a very strong ground over there, but every case requires proper evidences, and it has to be proven in court of law. So again, I repeat the same thing, where the international agencies, they are working on this particular matter, they are investigating the case. If once they are coming to know, they are coming up with concrete evidences over there and they are submitting in court of law, then if it is proven, the case is very strong from the company side and they will be 100% given a decision in their favor, and whatever they are claiming the amount $20 trillion can be awarded. There is nothing wrong over there. Further, my team of La Jano, they are working on certain other legal matters of this particular related to coronavirus, and what are the perspective of Indian government and Indian point of view where our economy got also affected. So in future we will come up with some new issues and new cases. Meanwhile, take care of yourself. We will meet in next video. Thank you.